Hey guys, welcome once again to this channel. If it is your first time to come across this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and also share and also comment. Today we are talking about the nature, how these Jamaican men are, because many people are talking about Jamaican men. So guys, let us watch this video and at the end, then I'll come up with more reaction.
Great TikTok to tell you guys all of the things I have heard since walking down this beach in Jamaica right now. All of the lovely compliments the Jamaican men have been giving me. Let's start with, wow, I would play with them all day. As a greeting, by the way. I didn't even get a hello. Followed by, I got something big and long that I can give you. Very polite, very demure. Followed by, something big and strong can go in that mouth. Oh, and my favorite one has to be, come back here, I got something you can sit on. And that's just by walking from one end of the beach to the other. Right guys, just as we were walking back, I got one more. He's gonna bore a hole into my walls.
Machine.
Me want breathe you.
Skeeta.
Brownie.
Tika.
Yo, mama, look goody. Big woman. Hey, big food gal.
Jamaican people are the only people that could insult you and give you a compliment at the same time. The last time I was in Jamaica, this dude had stopped me and my baby father, and he was like, Bombad. He was like, your baby mother fat and nice. Like, excuse me, so why I can't just be nice? Then this one shop lady like, your belly big but your face pretty. Like, I don't know whether you're insulting me or giving me a compliment for real. Like, this one guy gonna tell my baby father, brother, you don't need no more. Look how you have plenty. Like, first of all, they be like, oi, fatty, you sweetie. Like, y'all, long story short, going to Jamaica being fat and pretty ain't for the weak. It's definitely a whole nother experience. All the men gonna love you. You're gonna get a ton of compliments. Some of the girls too, but they definitely gonna look at you with a little envy, but they get over it.
Winston turned to me and said, good pum pum deserves shelter. I started walking differently. I said, yes, it's true. You know, I started getting cocky. Started walking into parties, belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true. Yeah. Started getting cocky with it. Looked at all the skinny babes like, you guys look cold. You know,
a Jamaican man, a Nigerian man, a Paris man.
Jamaican.
Oh, that's the man you choose.
Kingston.
Why? Why do you like them? Because they have the King's thing? Why do you like King's
allowed
thing?
to say it?
I mean, but you can say you like it because of the cucumba.
No, of course not. I'm very polite. I like it because they just have different vibes. You know.
Okay.
They know how to sing.
My brother's from Jamaica. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Are you boom?
How do you say this girl is so sexy in Italy?
Questa ragazza è molto sexy.
Eh? Yeah. Say it again one more time. I need to say it.
Questa ragazza è molto sexy.
If you're a baddie and you're having a bad day or you're feeling insecure or you just broke up with a man, go to Jamaica and walk down the street. Walk down any street. It will immediately revitalize your confidence. Every time a Jamaican man sees a woman, he acts like it's his first time seeing a woman ever in his life. I think I just received a bumble clot. You get the point. And Jamaican men love all women. Slim, thick, even fat. If your belly is big, they say, don't worry, baby. It's just protecting your pum-pum. And let's not forget, they may not be good fathers, but they're great stepfathers. They will accept you with your children. They will cook for you. They will adore you. They will tell you things that you've never heard in your life. So if you are feeling sad, I encourage you, book the flight, come to Jamaica.
I hear like you're talking about me. I didn't understand.
Say you fat, pum pum fat. You know what I'm telling me?
This is what you say.
Yeah,
you
pum,
can
pum,
say
fat.
it, you know.
Say I love the fat pum pum and
Yeah,
I tights, you know.
You know,
Yeah.
in my country, but if in my country you come to say a woman something like that, hey, you see this one, you will see it from close, very close.
What? Kick?
She will kick you so hard. Yeah.
Tell her about pum pum.
Yeah.
That's why we Jamaican don't play.
How would you say the men are in America compared to Jamaica?
Oh, in Jamaica, they are very aggressive. They are straightforward. Come here, let me whisper something in your ear. And I'm like, what? You ever had your sucked? And I'm like,
A Jamaican said that?
like, I had to go. I was like, yeah, no.
Jamaican men will spot you and they won't even court you. They won't even like build up slowly. They will spot you and tell you that they want you to be their wife immediately. I have never met the biggest love bombers until I met a Jamaican man. Now tell me why I'm at a kid's birthday party and I see a little girl crying and instantly, mommy instincts click immediately. So I go and pick her up. I'm like, where's your mommy? She's like, oh, my mommy's not here, but my daddy is. So I'm comforting her because she's crying. So I think like one of the kids knocked her over. So I'm like, okay, let's go find daddy. Mind you, the dad was watching me the whole entire time from across the room. So I'm going up to people. I'm like, hey, like, do you guys know who her dad is? Hey, are you dad? Are you dad? The dad is just watching me, not saying a word. I turn a corner, I lock eyes with somebody, and he's like, I'm the dad. But he looking at me like in a seductive way. And so I didn't know it was really seductive yet. In my head, I thought he was looking at me like, why do you have my child? So I'm like, okay. So I walk over, and I hand him the child. I was like, one of the kids knocked her over, so she started crying. I think she just needed to be comforted. And then he looked at me, and he was like, you be a good stepmother. Huh? I said, oh, no. I already have two. I'm okay. He said, I said stepmother. And I said, no, sir. And I had to walk away. Okay?
With a little belly in over your jaws, me like it. Me not like it woman them with six pack like them a blood clot, man. You're alright with a little belly drop over your jaws. Me like them something there. Me like when little belly drop over jaws.
Baby, let me tell y'all something. Being loved by a Jamaican man gonna be the best thing you have ever experienced in your whole entire life. But when I tell you, child, that shit ain't for the weak, it ain't for the motherfucking weak. Cause this Jamaican man gonna love bomb you so much and it's gonna feel like heaven and the holy gates done flooded open for you in the beginning. But girl, make it even worse if it's long distance, child. Them niggas gonna have you feeling like you the problem. Cause they the holiest thing that ever walked next to Jesus in his sandals on a Sunday morning. And they gonna take that same God off the cross and say they ain't doing it. It would never, could never be them. And I'm speaking from experience, child. Speaking from fucking experience. And see, I'm a sucker for love. I be acting all aggressive and shit, but I'm a real life lover girl. So I'm gonna be down for all the lovey-dovey shit. But one thing you need to know, you think you blood clot bad? Me badder. And you think them send you for me? Them send blood clot me for TMU. But anyways, go get you a Jamaican man. But just enjoy the time while it lasts. Because it ain't gonna be nothing but just some good sex and good temporary loving and some good food. Yeah, that's...
Let me tell you the maddest compliment I've ever received from a Jamaican man. I was sitting across from him, he was dreads, very handsome. He said, I love your smile. And I was like, okay, thank you. He was like, you know I like women with black gums. And I'm there I was like, okay.
Yeah, but like it can get worse than that. Like when you go to Jamaica, I've heard them call girl, if you're Caucasian, one mango juice, like just because she's a tan. Like what are we doing here? And then the worst one, like obviously shout out West Green Road, like home of Jamaica. I've gone into the barber shop and a man said to a woman, boy, now you look good. Me want to climb in your bed in front of your parents. I said, what? You want to do what in front of who?
We don't want a spice, we have ice spice. Oh God. Girl, the body shape good. More, I feel like more picking some berries and giving them a feel like about.
You make me thirsty. You make me thirsty. You make me thirsty. I'm good looking, you love cooking. Blood clot.
What is your name? You just tell the fella your name.
You want upstairs?
My name's Michelle.
Michelle,
Hey, what's your mayo? Michelle, can you be my girl?
Let me know.
So where you go?
Where you go, girl?
Yo, girl. Yo. No, get him a clutch, you know.
Good morning, my baby. What's up? What's poppin'? What's up? Right, you know, I not tell you, you never know right, you know, because I not tell you, you're sexy, my blood clot. I tell you straight. Look good. So I deal with the boy, I have to buy it up every day. Trust me. I don't want to be your pussycat. If you want me to be a man, me be a man. If you want me to be a pussycat, me be a pussycat. You know that nice to me. I tell you straight. He said if you live, he said your bedroom there upstairs, you have to go up the step. If your bedroom there, you have to go up the step. That is nice to me because you know what I want you to do. But I want you to sit on up at the top of the stage and throw all the whipped cream like your pum pum. I'm just a crawl come like a cat. And up and meow.
I'm convinced a Jamaican man would never ask you to be their girlfriend. Y'all just exchange numbers one day and then you've been talking on the phone for a little bit. And he's done cooked for it. He done took you to a river party, took you to a street party, took you to a grave digging, took you to the beach, took you to the dead yard, done climbed a tree and got a coconut for you, picked some mangoes for you. Then you sit up here like, so what are we doing? What are we? And he look at you crazy. He's like, you're my woman. We can't done. We can't let milk gonna breed you. So you're like, no, you haven't even asked me to be your girlfriend. So what do you talk about? I'm your woman. So ladies, if you give a Jamaican man your phone number, he start cooking for you and he start taking you places and he start spending money on you, you indeed are his girlfriend. There's no explanation. So don't get the wrong idea and just know what you're getting yourself into.
Something about y'all Jamaican men, I'm not gonna lie, y'all give big dick energy. I'm not even gonna lie. Because y'all know how to talk y'all way into pussy and into a bitch heart at the same fucking time. In the first link, that nigga's gonna be talking about marrying you, bitch. These Jamaican men are crazy ass motherfuckers. Like, they territorial as fuck. Like, they obsessed with you in real life. If you fuck with a Jamaican man, you know that man love the fuck out of you, okay? Like, and I know because I'm fucking with one right now. That man is crazy. But crazy in love. That's the thing. Crazy in love. Yeah, I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know. Something like, ooh, I don't know. But I love my Jamaican man. I love Jamaican men, but I love my Jamaican man. Shout out to my daddy or whatever. Because, like, yeah.
Tourist spills the tea on Jamaican men. Hashtag island romance.
On dating Jamaican men. Everybody wants to put their 2 cents in. Well, let me tell you about my 2 cents. Dating a Jamaican man, it ain't for the weak. You gotta have some thick skin and a strong heart. Let me explain. First of all, if you find you a nice, good Jamaican man, he's all about family and loyalty and trust. Yeah, man. He gonna love you to the end of the earth. No matter what you look like, if you're thin or fat, tall or short, skinny, thick, curvy, flat, he gonna love you and make you feel like you're the queen and make you feel so beautiful. Oh, they know how to compliment you now. They're gonna love bomb you. They're very family oriented. They love their family. So if they love you or trust you or even like you enough to take you to see the family, that's out of respect. So appreciate it. No matter what his reasons are, if you meet his family, that's big respect for you. So understand that. That's a big thing for him to take you to meet his family. Jamaican men are very confident in everything they do, whether they're a mechanic or a banker. When they flirt with you and love bomb you, every job they do, doesn't matter if he's a painter, doesn't matter what he does, they're confident in everything and flamboyant. They're over the top. So if you're a quiet, reserved person and you don't like attention, they're not for you, because you're going to get all the attention in the world and they're going to get attention everywhere you go because they're outspoken. They speak from the heart and they always laugh and joke with each other in their patois and tease each other and banter back and forth. So you got to get used to the language and learn the language, because most of the time he's just fooling you and joshing you and joking you around. So if you have thin skin, they're not for you. Jamaican men know how to cook, honey. They will go do a full day's work and still come home and cook you a full meal and then do the dishes and rub your feet. Oh yeah, especially if you got you a good one. They love to cook. If you're a Jamaican man and you can't cook, you're not Jamaican. Let's get into the real deeds. Jamaican men are handsome as fuck, and they know it, especially when they put on them skinny jeans, or if they have on all white or all black with them Air Force Ones. Baby, what gorgeous, beautiful brown skin. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I know the comments are gonna come. Love me some Jamaican men. I have one, but I love me some Jamaican men. Do. They're gorgeous and they know how to dress. When they take you out, they're not gonna go looking just any kind of way. They gonna get all the way clean, and they expect you to get clean. Now, if a Jamaican man approach you and you're not interested, you just say you're not interested. But if you're interested and you give this man your phone number, or you go together, you his woman now. If you just give him your phone number, you are now his woman. Especially if you let him come and stay the night. After y'all done had sex the first time, that's your husband. That's your husband. Y'all married, might as well give it up. You don't belong to nobody else but him. Like I said, they confident in everything they do. Everything. Jamaican men don't cheat. If they got the right one, they don't cheat. But if they're one, we call one of them hustlers, or them passport boys, or the beach boys, yeah. When you leave the country, you come here on vacation and you meet one, you have a wonderful time. Enjoy the time. True enough. Enjoy your vacation, sis. But just know when you leave, another one coming in your place. New woman every week. Now that's just for them hustlers and passport boys and beach boys. If you meet them at a hotel or a beach or in a tourist area, 9 out of 10 times, they're a beach boy or a passport boy. Not all of them. Not all of them are like that. But you'll know when you see them. You'll know who's who. And just enjoy it for what it is and keep moving. Like I said, if you got thin skin, Jamaicans is not for you. Hey, tell me in the comments something I've missed about Jamaican men that you know.
Hey guys, thank you. I know you have watched the full clip why Jamaican men are so romantic and how they know how to handle women. And this has led to men tourists across the world. Once tourist women visit Jamaica, they can't stop talking about Jamaican men. And this is because many Jamaican men, they know how to talk, they know how to listen, because how the culture they have been raised in. These Jamaican men, They know how to express themselves. They know how to handle women in that good motive. When you see how these Jamaican men, how they greet you, when they greet you with that warmth. They greet you with that how they give you that expression is so unique, and this has led to many people when they go to Jamaica and when they meet with these Jamaican men, when they go back to their nation, they can't stop talking about Jamaican men because these men know how to handle women. These Jamaican men know how to treat women. Actually, when most of the parts of the world, men will not appreciate us, the Jamaican men know how to appreciate women. Actually, when you fix Jamaica, these women, they have seen the goodness Jamaican men have. They treat them so different. And this is something that they have learned since child. The culture in Jamaica has made them to cope up with that culture because they are raised in that culture with pride. They know how to compliment their women. They know how to talk and they know how to listen. Actually, many men outside don't know how to listen to their women, but these Jamaican men know how to listen to their women. They know how to communicate to women. When a woman meets a Jamaican man, he will feel she has been seen. So she will not have that ideology of saying that she's not being loved. When you look at the lifestyle, the dressing code, actually it has made many people, many men outside the world feel envious about Jamaica because how Jamaican men come out, it is so different, and it has led many people all over the world. Actually, most of people hate Jamaica because of how these men normally handle women. But we thank because we are learning more from these people. They are teaching us things that other people don't know. They are teaching us how we can be able to care for our women, how we can compliment to our women. As we have seen these tourists, when they want to fish there, they feel to go back to Jamaica because of that welcoming, that how they were being talked about, how they have been treated there. So it gives them that capability of going back to that Jamaica. So guys, not only when tourist women go there to Jamaica, they don't talk about only beaches, food, but they something that Jamaican women normally talk about it. Uh, Jamaican men. So guys, I know most of us have different opinion, different views. So let us interact in the communication so that we can learn more. We can have that ideology, how we can also outside there treat our women. Just drop your comment in the comment section And if you have not subscribed, I urge that just subscribe to this channel, and also just like, and also drop your comment. I will appreciate. I am your host, Edwin Reaction. Until next time, thank you.